The Art of Writing an Article, Step-by-Step Approach. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to write an article. Step 1. Use a topic. Brainstorm ideas. Think about topics that interest you or that you have knowledge about. Narrow down. Select a specific aspect of the topic that you want to explore in your article. Step 2. Research. Gather information. Use reliable sources such as books, journals, reputable websites, and interviews. Take notes. Record key points, quotes, and statistics that you may want to include in your article. Step 3. Outline your article. Introduction. Write an engaging opening to grab the reader's attention and introduce the topic. Body. Organize your main points logically. Each paragraph should focus on one idea or aspect related to your topic. Conclusion. Summarize the main points and provide any final thoughts or calls to action if applicable. Step 4. Write the article. Start with the introduction. Use a hook to draw in your readers. Clearly state the purpose or main idea of the article. Develop the body. Flesh out each point from your outline. Use transitions to ensure smooth flow between paragraphs. Craft the conclusion. Reinforce the main points and leave the reader with something to think about. Step 5. Edit and revise. Review for clarity and structure. Check that your article makes sense and follows a logical progression. Edit for grammar and style. Correct any spelling, grammar, or punctuation errors. Ensure consistency in tense and style. Seek feedback. Get input from others to improve clarity and effectiveness. Step 6. Polish your article. Title. Use a compelling and relevant title that accurately reflects the content. Introduction. Fine-tune your opening to ensure it captivates the reader. Body. Ensure each paragraph flows naturally and supports your main argument. Conclusion. Reinforce your main points and provide closure. Step 7. Finalize and publish. Proofread. Give your article a final read-through to catch any remaining errors. Format. Format your article according to the publication's guidelines or standard practices. Publish. Submit your article to the desired platform, whether it is a blog, magazine, or website. Additional tips. Know your audience. Tailor your language and content to the readers who will be interested in your article. Stay objective. Present facts and opinions clearly, distinguishing between the two when necessary. Be concise. Aim for clarity and brevity without sacrificing important details. Revise as needed. Don't hesitate to rewrite sections or rearrange the structure if it improves the article. Following these steps will help you craft a well-organized and engaging article that effectively communicates your ideas to your audience. As we come to the end of this journey together, remember, the more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you will go. These words from Dr. Seuss remind us that knowledge and curiosity are the keys to endless possibilities. Thank you for joining me on this adventure today. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Let us take this positivity and inspiration into our lives, spreading kindness, creativity, and joy wherever we go. Remember, each day is a new opportunity to learn, grow, and make a difference. May your dreams be big, your worries be small, and your courage be mighty. Until we meet again, keep shining bright.